Welcome back, everyone, to an episode of Garage Bad Trip. We're going to pick up right where we left off. Also, the reason why this is a different format and a different game than I usually play. I am away from the house, up at my parents' house, taking care of my mom who broke her ankle because my dad has to go into work, so she needs someone here to help her. And I am working on my much younger siblings, much younger brother's laptop, which can't run as many games and record at the same time. So, yeah, let's get right into this, folks. That doesn't look fancy. That doesn't look nice. There's this. Oh, there's ammo. Okay. What is that? How do I use a grenade? Okay, that's how. I'll go down. Oh, it's locked from the inside. Okay. Ooh. That's not good. That's it? Okay. That was painful. Let's reload and get in there. Okay, no more ammo. Let's eat this. Let's pick up that. Don't need to eat any more of that. Oh, I need to unlock. Can't just kick open every door you find. I hate those rats, really. Dear Professor Dim, according to the terms of our existing agreement, you were supposed to provide us with immortal soldiers within a given time frame, 4 years. However, we instead received from you a two-headed dog and some other kind of freakish monster with a large number of limbs. The board of directors does not consider the work you performed to satisfy the terms of the design documents. Moreover, such desecration of corpses would attract the attention of the press. We have no desire to risk our reputation. We hasten to inform you that we will no longer fund your experiments and request that you vacate the premises within a set period of time, 1 week. Our employees from the hazmat department would be glad to offer their services in cleansing all biological contamination from the laboratory. Richard Smith, Chairman of the Board of Directors. Where's the zombies? No one. Okay. There's the gas. Doors open. Always have max ammo. Now, what enemies are going to come up here? Nothing over there. Okay. Well. Tank is fully loaded. Now what do I do? Oh! Jeez. The controls are a little wonky. Thought I dodged it that time. Let's not go. Driving this thing is a pain. Gonna avoid the zombies, and then I'm gonna... That one pushed it into my way. I hate driving in games. Hate flying the worst. Yes. Am I out? What? Oh! I have to be going... Screw you. Have to keep going straight. Do I make it this time? Yes. Did I die? What? I don't die. Okay. But I am almost dead. Well, first, let's heal. Where did my other oh, yeah, I used them. Oh, jeez. Go that way? Okay. I go back the way. Guess I go this way. Can't stand on those smoking vents. It insta-kills you. You have to double tap the crates because a rat could come out. Okay. No one over here, no one over there. Okay. Oh! Dim's Experiments Part 1. I'm so glad you decided to stay here for a while, Mr. Smith. Now is the right time to show you for what I've spent your money on. It'll be fun, I promise. But you know, all those bureaucrats from the board of directors, they've nearly ruined all the fun. Moreover, they claim that my experiments are too expensive and completely pointless. Is there anything you'd like to say to me, Richard? For instance, if you'd like to tell me about how it was your idea to cancel my project, honestly, I'm not mad at you. We're just different. You're a salesman. And me? Do you know who I am, Richard? I'm the Messiah. I, Professor Dim, have returned from the dead to give evolution a good kick in the backside. I have overcome death to create a brave new world. A world populated by two-headed dogs and six-armed humans. And this is only the beginning, Richard. Only the beginning. For the moment, try to get some rest. You have a you got a rather long and invasive operation ahead of us. You can learn more in my new educational film. The board of directors as a single organism. 3, 2, 1. My first experiment, designed to produce a two-headed dog, was unsuccessful. I merged the vascular system of experimental animals, but unfortunately, the test subjects lived only for a day. Thanks to my connections in the army, the problem was solved. Behold the military's secret preservative. It was developed to keep mortally wounded soldiers on their feet. Just one injective of the preservatives brought my two-headed dog back to life. It was a genuine triumph. Now it's time to prove that human bodies can also be used to create such masterpieces. Let's get to work, folks. Why did the TV explode? Well, give me a key. Let me guess, this door was locked? Wow, he knows how to plan. Oh. I didn't know you could open those. Shouldn't have used my med kit then. Woo! Here's health pack. Oh! That's not good. Richard Smith, #1 Chief Executive Officer. Oh, he experimented on everyone. #8 Vice President, Olivier Talbot. Chief Financial Officer, Aaron Langens. #3 First Vice Chairman, Gary Stone. #16 Best Movie Director Ever, Andric Cesarian. What is this now? Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, now I know to save my ammunition till later. And reload this. Okay. Come on. Sorry if I'm being quiet during this. Jeez. Ooh. Jeez. That was difficult. Oh. Centipede from Human Centipede, the movie. That was a good movie. Or more so, it was creepy as hell. Yeah, that movie was for freaks. Where's the phone ringing? Is it from back this way? No. Seems to be coming from this way. No, back over this way. Is it? Okay. Well. Oh. Finally, Anaconda to base, requesting immediate assistance. Over. Roger, Anaconda. Where are you? Over. Wait a minute. What's your handle? Who's this? Over. I'm Butch. I don't have any handle or code name, or whatever you call it. What are you doing on our secret line, you friggin' moron? Lady, you're out of mind. I found this phone, okay? Do you want my help or not? Yes, I do, but, well, I guess I'll have to trust you. So you're Butch, eh? Yep. Do you have a weapon, Butch? Yes, I do. Okay, I think I can trust you. Oh, okay. Sweet. Listen, I can't talk right now. Cut the wire and take the receiver with you. I'll call you back. I know a thing or two about how phones work, and they don't work that way. Hello? Hello? I'm betting this is another thing of his mental, thing. Anyways, so he turned the entire board of directors into a centipede. Chapter 6 Railroad. I know the smell anywhere. Only our subway stinks like that. Okay. Hopefully those rats don't make a comeback. The rats are... Okay, there's that. Okay. I got cornered. Let's reload the shotgun. Shotgun's great for crowd clearing. I'm gonna switch over to my pistol. Cause shotgun's good for the stronger enemies, but these smaller ones are not all that damaging. Don't need ammo. Okay. I love how I took out my shotgun, pulled the trigger, and it didn't frigging fire. Okay. So does this mean you've decided to help me, Butch? Oh. Thank God, I was starting to think you weren't going to call back. I feel like a moron holding on to this receiver. You are. Cut the chatter. Are you going to help me? Yes or no? Yes. Aren't you going to... You aren't going to break your promise even on pain of death? There's nothing but death here. But no, I won't. Then swear you're going to make it to the end and get me out of here. Sure thing, Sugar. I'll get you out of here. Say it. I swear. Fine. I swear. Alright, Rookie. You're now a member of the rescue team. There's no longer any Butch. Are we clear? I'm a member of what, Sugar? My name isn't Sugar. It's Anaconda. And I ask the questions around here. What can you see nearby, Rookie? I don't quite get the last thing you said. What can you see in your area around you, damn it? I see the corpses of shoulders. That's not good. You're in Dreadnought's territory. Dread what? Some jerk. If his dogs catch your scent, you're a dead man. Let's try to go around them using the subway. And remember, if you see any soldiers, shoot. Hold on. Why would I shoot at soldiers? Are you nuts? It's in your best interest. Shoot or run. Just don't get caught. Over and out. Okay. Get out of my way so I may get some food. Yummy. Uh-oh. Ah. What's up with this stupid fucking music? The music was good. The moaning in it was not. Okay, so I have to go around this way to get through. Okay. Oh, I can destroy these boxes. Did not know that. Okay. Only gave me shotgun ammo. Great. Think I have to kick open this door? Ooh. Loading. What does this mean? Can I go back? Oh, so I can't go back. Needs a key. Locked from the inside. Is there anything further down here? Well, first, let's kick the shit out of this machine. Get some food and see what's in here. Ooh. It says secret found, but I can't carry anymore. What is going on? Oh well. What's going on? Oh! Okay. I guess I'll turn around. Yeah, I'm not getting on a burning train. I don't think I can. Oh. Oh! The guy with the auto looks frightening and dangerous. So am I going insane, or is that a real person? avoid them. Can we stop it now? Please, let me in. Are you... Oh. Let's go. Jeez. Okay. Thought I could have retreated into a better hallway. And I got newsy. Still like the pistol better, but oh well. Okay. And there's that. Okay. That's done.